Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I would like to show you how to claim the daily cipher for today, being the 6th of June. So the first thing we are going to do is to tap on the NPA tab here. We are going to tap on it 3 times to activate the daily cipher, which we are going to claim now. 1, 2, 3. I have activated it. Don't forget guys, when you long press and release, you have this dash. When you tap, you have the dot. So, and the first letter today is E. The first letter today is E. And if you look at this particular Morse code, you see that E is just dot, that is one dot. And if you notice that, you can see that when I tap, I got the E because it is only one tap. You tap once to get E. So what you are going to the code we are going to impute today is ETH. Ethereum, the short form of Ethereum. Yesterday it was Bitcoin, so today is Ethereum, and the short form of it, which is ETH. I did not mean ETO. This is ETH. So now we are going to tap T. Now the next thing is to tap T, and if you look at it from this particular place, you see that all what we need to do now is to long press, then release to get the T. Long press, release, that is dash. So now let's do that. Long press, release. You see we have gotten the T already. So the next letter now is H. The next letter is H. So let's go back and check what is H. You see H here, you can see H is having 4 dots. That is, we are going to tap 4 times. There is no dash in this H, so all what we have to do is to tap 4 times. That's to get the H. Now let's go back. You see I'll tap 1, 2, 3, 4. I've gotten the H already, but there is a problem with the server. I think that is why it has no shows that we have claimed this. So what you are going to do, maybe you can come back and try it later, but the daily cipher code for today is ETH. I hope you have gotten this correctly. ETH. To get the E, you tap once. To get the T, you press hash, that is long press and release. I've gotten my T. To get the H, you tap 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is it. But due to the server's problem, you can see that it's still popping up that there is a problem with the network. It's a request error. So in case if the server is back, you can just tap once, then to get the T, you long press and release. To get the H, you tap 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is it for today. Thank you very much. See you in our next video.